You cannot deny the fact that some of the coolest gadgets can make your life enjoyable and productive. They're fun to use and pretty impactful. This is why in our video today, we have made a list of the 11 coolest gadgets that are worth buying. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Get a mouse on your finger and take control of your devices with just a single gesture. Introducing VANZY, a life-changing device for your daily tasks. This wireless wearable device uses gestures to put you in control of your devices from the moment you get out of your bed to the moment you go to sleep. It's also a perfect companion for your presentations, meetings, and lectures. Moreover, you can control your music volume while running or jogging without bringing out your smartphone. Just turn your finger clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the volume. Also, VANZY gives you precise control even from a distance. Most importantly, it works with multiple devices and can switch between them effortlessly. Want to know what's even cooler? You can play your favorite video game with this device as your gamepad. VANZY also gives you thumb control over an air mouse for all your devices, so you don't need a desk-like surface or mousepad, and can replace the laptop's trackpad too. This device also comes with customizable gesture and key mapping options. You can also use the VANZY app to customize the gestures in a way that suits you. When customizing your key mapping in the VANZY app, you can program specific gestures to certain programs. In short, to make your life even more suitable, VANZY can let you experience a whole new level of convenience by just moving your finger. Follow routes effortlessly even while wandering through unknown places with the Beeline Belo 2. This navigator comes in a compact and sleek design which can let you explore with confidence. It constantly keeps itself updated to keep you on the right track. Even when you're out in the wilderness where having a signal is tough, Velo 2 can point you back to your route. Not only that, you can also view your main stat on the fly, including speed, arrival time, distance, and many more. Most importantly, this device has up to 11 hours of battery life, which is more than enough to get you home. Are you a music enthusiast? Do you want to create your own music? Meet the DJI S, the all-in-one electronic music instrument which allows you to show off your musical creativity. This device has a logical and intuitive keyboard that displays the scales to help you play in tune and improvise. It's even integrated with a customizable sampler and looper to compose music pretty easily. You can even customize the sounds to create your own. So, whether it is to relax or to express yourself, the DJI S is perfect for beginners as well as professionals. Take your flying experience to new heights and seize every moment whenever you feel like with the TizzyToy drone, which offers a wide range of features yet comes at a respectful price. This drone has a high-definition 6K dual camera that supports a 120-degree ultra-wide-angle shooting range to deliver outstanding photos and videos. Also, with 2 shooting modes, including normal and top-down angles, you can get an immersive flying experience. Besides, the bottom camera helps this drone to detect perception, maintain a stable hover, and allows you to shoot top-view shots pretty easily. Moreover, it boasts real-time image transmission, gesture photography, one-key return, and trajectory flight, making this drone user-friendly and easy to fly so that even beginners can get started effortlessly. This drone also can be seen at night clearly, all thanks to the RGB lighting fan blades. Most importantly, the RGB lighting will not increase power consumption. With its dedicated mobile app, you can draw the flight trajectory the way you want and the drone will fly through the trajectory automatically. You can even control this drone with your smartphone. The device is equipped with 2 batteries, which greatly increases the flight time of the drone, so you can shoot for a long time without worrying about its backup. Overall, the TizzyToy drone is an outstanding device with so many features like a dual camera, ultra-wide-angle, and one-key return, all at a reasonable price. Introducing Ozobot Evo, a coding robot for the next generation. Evo starts bonding with you right out of the box. This robot uses a proximity sensor to follow your finger. You can even turn on different types of tricks by covering all 4 sensors. Not only that, if you hold them again, the Evo will start to run away from you. Plus, you can code Evo 2 ways. Using the Ozobot, you can create your own code and teach Evo different tricks. You can even color codes made with markers. Evo uses an optical sensor to follow the line. Due to the increase in online meetings, the demand for video conferencing devices in the workplace has also increased. And for that, we have the BirdHub for you, which is perfect for video conferencing and content collaboration. Want to know the most incredible part? It can create a virtual screen on any display with the help of a 3D touch sensing camera. After that, you can use the display as a touchscreen by using the stylus that comes with it. With the 5-megapixel wide camera, it can capture all the people in front of it. Also, it includes an air mouse to control the device effortlessly. You can even connect your smartphone or laptop to the BirdHub wirelessly and can cast anything you want. In addition, it has built-in video conferencing apps to start your meeting instantly. DJI is pretty well known for its outstanding drone quality. But have you ever tried its wireless microphone system? Well, this microphone delivers exceptional sound quality and dual-channel recording at long-range distances. It even supports omnidirectional audio, which makes it an ideal mic for multi-person interviews and small studio operations. Weighing less than 30 grams, DJI Mic takes up next to no space in your camera bag or backpack. You can even attach this mic to your sweatshirt or guitar via the convenient back clip or by using the clip magnet. Also, it has USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm TRS interface output, making it compatible with smartphones, cameras, laptops, and more. Judging by its look, you might think of a spaceship, but it's a Cybershell mechanical true wireless stereo speaker. This speaker is made of zinc alloy metal, rich in virtual and futuristic colors to give you a spaceship vibe. Besides, the Cybershell has 3 audio modes to tune all your music, including normal, rock, and rap mode. Plus, its RGB light keeps the party pumping. This speaker is even great for an outdoor party because it's ultra portable and has IPX5 water resistance. Meet Quill, your color picking stylus. Yes, it can pick over 16 million colors, which you can use to draw, paint, sketch, and create amazing art. It can even pick colors from nature. This stylus is built for exploring the colors and things around you with a cool light effect on its color visualizer. Now, you can take the blue from your jeans to paint the sky. With the Quill iOS app, you can bring a whole new world of possibilities. In short, for creative minds who love creating art with inspiration from things all around, Quill is the perfect tool. Never miss the moment with the Wristcam, which is only made for Apple Watch. It has not one but 2 cameras. One is 2-megapixel self-facing camera and the other one is 8-megapixel outward-facing camera. With them, you can capture photos and record videos all directly from your Apple Watch. This band even comes with a quick capture button. Press once to snap a photo and long press for video record. Easy, right? Also, you can start video calls straight from your watch so you can stay connected with your friends and family. Pretty cool, huh? With IP68 water resistance, it can submerge for up to 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. Most importantly, this band is super lightweight, so you'll get comfort while wearing it. To make your footage way more creative, Powervision S1 is everything you need whether you're at home or outdoor. This gimbal is super compact and fits easily into any pocket or bag. Besides, the 3-axis gimbal delivers stable-as video and smooth camera movement. It even supports smart tracking and gesture control, which allows you to track faces or other subjects instantly with gesture control or a click of a button. Also, you can take a perfect picture on your own with simple hand gestures. You know what? This gimbal even works as a wireless power bank, so you can charge your smartphone or earbuds anywhere you like. So, that was all about the 11 coolest gadgets that are worth buying just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.